here today to replace this heat exchanger. It is from 2023, just there you can see the serial number 23. It's failed way too quick for some peculiar reason, but that heat exchanger is coming out, and to prove that it's leaking, pressure is at 1. It's isolated, as you can see, and when I do that, watch this. So you saw the pressure's already dropped, and then just to prove it even more, when I undo this, the boiler's been off for weeks, and you'll just see, if I can do it one-handed, there we go, that is just full of water, and there you go, it's rising, there you go, water's rising, split heat exchanger, let's get on with it. So yeah, taking the AAV out, drop the sump, and there you can see all that leakage in that corner there. Then you just pull off the return connection from there and the flow connection out. All we're going to do is take the burner out, which is connected to the fan, so undo the gas. That comes off, and then the new heat exchanger just hangs on these 4 studs at the back. Heat exchanger off, and then new heat exchanger in. So burner out, just undid the fan connection. There's the burner and the fan, and in the kit you get the new red gasket, so I'll be putting a new red gasket on this. And there's a new heat exchanger, so I just got to put the electrodes, sensor back into this one, hang it, and then put the pipes back in. So that's the inside of a Atag heat exchanger, stainless steel. I've replaced a few of these now in the last couple of months. Something is definitely not right with the manufacturing of them. So the kit comes with all the seals and the new seal for the electrodes. Clean them up and pop them back in. New seal on the back and new seal on the sump. There we go, that's all done. Just silicone grease on the seals. Temperature sensor and electrodes. New washers, O-rings, whatever you want to call them. So this comes with 2 seals. The big one's for the outside. The little one is for the inside. So you use a screwdriver, you click that off, and there's the 2 red seals. And there you go, 2 seals. Two new gas seals. Quick check, that's tight, that's back on, air vent's back on, sump's connected, burner's in, gas pipe's done, electrodes are connected, fan's connected, and there we go, let's start pressurizing. That's hissing away. Coffee first. Might as well put the air intake on. There we go. Okay, let's turn it on. There you go, she's on. So after the 7-minute air purge, everything's on. Zone valves are go. There you go, all lit up. There we go. flame on. And thanks for watching, guys.